Well, hey friends, come back to you from the same spot I was last week. Right now it is a pretty cool 80 degrees outside, so I moved into shade because the sun was getting a little bit warm. I start to sweat a little bit, and so I looked up a couple little fun facts about the sun. We are 93 million miles away from the sun, which is a pretty cool thing, and it's still 80 degrees even though it's that far away. In fact, at the core of it, the sun is somewhere around 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. I looked up dimensions, and if the earth was a golf ball, that would make the sun the size of an elephant. In fact, you could fit 1 million earths inside the sun. And our sun is actually considered a pretty small star, and it's putting off that much power that it heats us up that much. And y'all know how much hotter it gets even as we move further into summer months, such as June and July. So when you think about that much power, I kind of think ahead to a scripture that's been crossing my mind, and probably a lot of y'all's a lot lately, and that's when you look at 2 Timothy 1:7. He says, God says, I didn't give you the spirit of fear, but I gave you one of power, love, and self-control. So I think about that power part of that, and that's just so amazing when you think about how powerful the sun is. And yet we see numerous times in scripture where it says that God spoke the star, spoke our sun into existence. So if we have that power, and God's saying, I didn't give you the spirit of fear, but I gave you the spirit of power. So we have that power inside of us, but the problem is we allow this fear of like coronavirus, we allow all these fears to take over because we're trying to take care of this the way we know how to, and we rely on our own understanding. We're relying on what we can do instead of asking God for help and saying, God, I know you have the power and you've given it to me, so show me how to use it. And all we have to do is pray about it and say, God, show me how to use this power you've given me to overcome this and not to be fearful over what's happening. Just want to give you some encouragement with that today. Hope you guys are doing great. Love y'all and miss y'all, and I hope to get to see you pretty soon.